Thanks, Nolan, for joining us today. So today we are talking about what you've been doing, which is really transforming customers with large legacy systems. So why don't you tell me about how you approach legacy systems in general and what you're doing to transform these customers into a big digital push?
Well, it's important to remember that in business process management, it's extremely common to be working with these legacy systems. And a lot of them work really well. They've worked well for years, and there's no reason to replace them. But there's a lot of reasons why systems do need to be replaced over time. They need to be faster. They need to be able to handle new types of requests. And in some of those legacy systems, there's just so much code and it's so old, people aren't sure how it works anymore. So one of the important things when you're digitizing or updating these legacy systems is know your goals. Remember those goals and keep those in mind as you're moving through the whole architecture, development, and implementation process. With these giant monolithic code bases, sometimes it can be really easy to lose track of what you're actually trying to do and just start rewriting things for the sake of rewriting things.
So when you approach these customers, do you generally sit down and map out end to end what all the legacy systems are doing and where their interactions are? Or how do you approach a new legacy system enterprise grade customer?
Absolutely. I mean, it's extremely important to understand all the cogs in the machine. So knowing why this is here, why it works the way that it does, why was it built the way that it does, because you don't want to accidentally redesign something that doesn't meet the original purpose. So yeah, keeping your goals in order, and then also understanding the entire landscape of what you're working with.
Nice. Well, thanks for talking to us about digital transformation and transforming legacy systems, and we look forward to having you back soon.